I have a big package here. So thanks to Quince, I have a new luggage set. So let's just open it together. So thank you, Quince team, for another amazing collab and for sending this to me. It's so heavy and big, I don't know how to get it out. But yeah, this is how it looks like. The box is so big. If I was a kid, I would probably make a house out of it. It's that big. Get rid of it. So this is how the luggage looks like. It's really big. There are two pieces inside. So there's a big checked-in luggage and there's also carry-on luggage inside. I love how it has a dust bag, so when you want to store it after you finish using it, you can just put it in your storage or another room or wherever you keep it. Garage, whatever works for you. So it really comes in handy. There it is. I love this dark green color. Looks beautiful, very classy. There it is. Feels like a big reveal. And also, this is not my first Quince luggage. I have another set. This one is expandable though, the other one is not. They do look similar. The other one's black, this one is dark green. It does feel, the texture of it feels slightly different. It's not as smooth as the other one. Size-wise, I think they are pretty much the same. There we go. Honestly, it's not too heavy considering there's another suitcase inside. It feels pretty light. This is how it looks like firsthand. You guys see it? Texture gives it a little more, I don't know how to say, a nicer feel to it. What's really cool about Quince is when you go to their website and you're browsing luggages, I think this also applies to other items as well. You can actually see how much manufacturing and production of this item costs. So they will show you like how much the labor costs, how much the materials cost, how much production fees cost and all of that. And then they're gonna also show how much they're making from each piece, which is really cool, I think. And then, I don't know, it kind of inspires you to purchase stuff from them. Overall, I don't know why. I guess like the transparency aspect of it, I really like. Firsthand, this is how it looks like. I want to put it down a little bit and show you different angles. Usually I make videos of clothing and accessories, so this is really big. I don't even know how to position my camera to show you guys. Okay, so this is the top part. There's a TSA approved lock in here. Put it on 0, push it, and then it opens up. I believe you can change the code as well. I just don't know how. I gotta research that, but for now you can just set it on the 3 zeros and that's it. There's a top handle here. There is this pull-out handle, how do you call it? It's right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing spectacular when it comes to design, but it does feel bougier than the standard luggage. Also, this set is about $300. They're 2 pieces. Also, another thing I read about these luggages is that the Quince really invests in the wheels to make sure that you have good quality wheels to support the luggage, which I really think makes sense because you want to make sure that the wheels support it, because once the wheels do break down, there's no point in using this luggage anymore. Now, I'm going to open it up and see what else we have inside. When you do open it up, this is the inside. There is a carry-on luggage in here. I'm gonna take it out. And then, pretty simple too, 2 different compartments. This one has a zipper over it, and the zipper has more zippers, so you can put more stuff in here. Let's see. Works really well. There's also 2 zippers here. You can put a lot of stuff like underwear, t-shirts, whatever you want. The other side though has this like compression type of panel, I guess that's how you call it, where you can put stuff. And I think that, yeah, this panel you can actually remove and just keep these open, close, remove, do whatever works. There's also another zipper here where you can store more stuff. And inside you have this sponge that you can use to clean your suitcase, which is really nice. I like this. Also, there is, oh, exactly what we need. How to set your code. It starts with 3 zeros, yeah. And then this is how you can reset it and set your own code. Perfect. Exactly what we needed. Okay, and like I said, you guys, you can totally remove this panel if you don't need it. And then just keep your clothes here and then use this and close it up. That should work. Now, let's open the little one, the carry-on. Also has its own dust bag. This one is a little easier for me to show you because it's smaller, so I can put the whole thing in the screen. Let's open it up. Also has its own pretty dust bag. A bit easier to open, get it out. They're very similar. Material, feel, fabric, everything. This one's just smaller. The color is stunning. It's this royal emerald green color. So classy, so beautiful. Speaks Quince language, quite luxury, outstanding. You want to have this piece with you. I think it just elevates your travel outfits, makes you look, I don't know, so much cooler when you show up in this, rolling with two cool luggages. I think the color is beautiful. My boyfriend picked it. I love it. I don't think I would have picked this color because I was going more towards olive green or black or grayish or beige, but I think this one is just perfection because look at it. Look how it even goes with my skin complexion. Not like it matters, but had to mention it. Anyways, also feels amazing. Look how it rolls beautifully with these wheels. Also has a TSA approved lock. I'm gonna open it up. Easy, super easy, so smooth, works perfect. I love it. I love my other one as well, but this one is cooler because if you have a lot of stuff, you can expand it and then put more stuff in it. So for example, let's say you want to go to Japan and buy a lot of cosmetics, or Korea. Perfect. Like everything can fit in here, and then you're gonna look super chic when you go shopping. Pretty similar, two different compartments. There's one with zipper where you can put a lot of stuff in here. And then another one with the compression type of panel. Also has its own cleaner that you can use to clean if it gets dirty or damaged while traveling. So yeah, I think they look super cool. I think we're gonna use this one a lot. Price wise, they're about $300 for this set. I think it's totally worth it. The other one that I've got that's not expandable was about $250. So like $50 difference. It really depends. Like if you know you're gonna be traveling a lot and you need a good, reliable, big luggage, you probably want to invest $50 more and get the expandable ones. If you're not gonna be traveling as much and you know, okay, which in my case is sometimes I know I'll be traveling, but I also know I have to limit my luggage. So I know I cannot have more than 50 pounds per big suitcase. For me, it makes sense not to get the expandable one, because if I do have the expandable one, I'd be like, oh, I can just put more and more stuff going over my weight limit, which I should not be doing because they will charge me arm and a leg for that. So anyways, this is how they look like, and I will show you when I stand next to them. So that's how they look like when I'm standing next to them. I'm 5.6, perfect height for me. Works really well. They are so easy to navigate, very smooth. They just, yeah, they just slide through. They're really good. I also want to show you how it looks like and how to expand. Pretty easy. There's another zipper right there. You can just open it up. Actually, not that one, the other one. It's right, it is right there. It opens up and you get a bigger luggage instantly. There you go. You really get decent amount of space and more area for your clothes. Yeah, this is how it looks like when it's expanded. So it does get a little more width in here. Yeah, which is beautiful. I think Quince did a really good job with these luggages. Yeah, they just look good honestly. I feel like these are the pieces that will really last. The quality looks good, design. It feels, it doesn't feel plastic. It feels like, I don't know, it feels really good on your hands. They're secure, they're sturdy, they're good looking. They have really good wheels, good quality. Just like I said, they speak Quince, quiet luxury. Yeah, awesome. I like them a lot. Yeah, thank you, Quince, and yeah, let me know how you guys like them. And if you already have a Quince luggage, what's your experience with it? Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Feel free to drop a comment or shoot me an email. Yeah.